Meet Teodor, your brand new personal doorman. Teodor is a smart lock, the most advanced way to enter your home. Imagine all the times you had trouble finding the key to your door. With Teodor, the door unlocks itself, swift and simple. Our app offers you more than locking and unlocking a door. You can limit user access to a specific timeline, keep an activity log, and other features that come in handy. Teodor can tell you about any uninvited guests who might have entered your home. You are simply notified and can then take appropriate action. Teodor instantly falls in love with any door. It's compact, adaptive, and designed to be universal. We're a team of devoted experts who have been working for 2 years, perfecting your doorman's behavior and appearance. And now, Kickstarter, it's your turn to unlock our project and bring Teodor to life.
Hello Kickstarter, please show us your support by backing our project. Thank you.
Ultralock UL1 is a perfect smart lock for everyone. Your smart home starts with Ultralock Smart Lock. Ultralock UL1 is solid and compact, but integrates multiple cutting-edge technologies. Thanks to dual battery technology, you can simply replace batteries even from outside. You can use fingerprint, keycard, or smartphone to unlock. Ultralock Bridge allows you to share access and control your Ultralock remotely. It is simple to install with just a screwdriver. Ultralock. Simplify your security.
"10 hours until the guests arrive. And still lots to do. Clean the house, get the dinner, and make sure Louie gets another walk. Mary's not too worried because she has August. It lets her into her home automatically, just like magic. August helps her get everything done for the party, even with the family gone for the day. With August Smart Lock, Mary and Thomas can control access to their home and send virtual keys to guests from anywhere using their smartphones. When the cleaning lady comes to straighten things up, she's got her virtual key to use. And hopefully, some extra cleaning supplies. Dinner's here from Hank, their favorite barbecue guy, and Mary can use August doorbell cam to ask him to put the food in the usual spot.
Hank's Barbecue, ready for delivery.
Can I just buzz you in and you can leave the food in the fridge?
Oh, sure, no problem.
Thank you.
Louie even gets his regular walk. Thomas just gives the dog walker a virtual key for that time every day. That's right, boy. Right on schedule. When Emily stops by early to drop things off, she can head right in when Mary buzzes her.
Hey, Mary, it's Emily. I'm actually at your house. I was in the neighborhood and I just had the things that you need. Yeah. Just go right in. I'll buzz you in.
When Maya gets home from school, she can let herself in with August's smart keypad. No more lost or forgotten keys. And best of all, Mom gets an instant notification so she knows Maya is home safe. Thanks to August, the house is finally clean. Everything's delivered, and Louie got his walk. All they need now are the guests. Welcome to a home that's more simple and secure. Welcome to an August home.
Rapid advances in technology are shaping the world. When it comes to security, touch is quickly becoming the industry standard, your finger acting as the key.
We at Pishan Lab decided it was about time to create a padlock for the modern age. We believe a lock should always be functional and provide you with a quick, easy access whenever you need it. We are proud to introduce TapLock and TapLock Lite, the world's smartest padlocks.
TapLock and TapLock Lite need no key, no combination code, and no phone to access them. Instead, using a cutting-edge encrypted fingerprint sensor, it grants access with just a tap in 0.8 seconds. There's nothing to remember and nothing you can lose. It uses the one thing you always have with you, your unique fingerprint. TapLock can also double as a phone charger, so you'll never be stranded without power. But what about the times when you need to share access? Don't worry, we have you covered with the TapLock app, compatible with iOS, Windows, and Android. Using only your smartphone, you can grant anyone access to your lock from anywhere in the world. Up to 100 fingerprints can be stored. The time, location, and duration of access can even be customized. When you want to revoke access, do it with just a tap. With TapLock and TapLock Lite, you're always in control. TapLock is designed to keep unwanted guests out. It has a built-in alarm that will activate if the lock is cut or if someone without authorization tries to open it. So wherever you decide to use your TapLock or TapLock Lite, you can feel confident that your valuables are secure and that accessing them will be quick and easy. TapLock has a lithium-ion battery that can last up to 3 years on one charge. And it gives you the option of accessing your lock through your phone using Bluetooth 4.1. TapLock Lite was designed with travelers in mind, so we made it small, lightweight, and secure. It's equipped with a replaceable battery that can last up to 6 months. It's also water-resistant, so you don't need to worry about it being damaged by rain or snow.
We have spent countless hours creating TapLock and TapLock Lite, and now we're ready to bring them to you. We take great pride in modernizing an invaluable item through the power of touch. Help us bring TapLock to market by purchasing a perk. Early adopters will be among the first to experience the ultimate in convenience and security from TapLock and TapLock Lite, the world's smartest padlock.